As a financial professional, are you incorporating behavioral finance to better understand your clients, deliver better outcomes, and deepen your client relationships? Introducing the Accredited Behavioral Finance Professional Designation Program from the College for Financial Planning, a Kaplan Company. Through the industry's first advisor-focused behavioral finance designation from an accredited college or university, you'll gain a thorough understanding of how psychological and emotional factors impact economic behavior, as well as mastery in practically applying these behavioral concepts into your client interactions. This 8-week program enhances how you work with your clients to achieve financial goals by bringing together two elements. Comprehensive research and trends from experts in the field give you insights into understanding the roles that psychological biases, heuristics, and emotions play in financial decision-making. While engaging in classroom activities help you translate theory into practice, enabling you to start using your new skills with existing clients from the first day of the program. Master the behavioral finance soft skills critical to deepening client relationships and take your career to the next level. Enroll in the Accredited Behavioral Finance Professional Program with College for Financial Planning, a Kaplan Company. Call us today or visit our website to get started.